All right, guys. Um, so basically today, you can tell by the title, I'm just going to be giving you the strategy I use and how it works. Now, I'm not a professional at trading. I'm nowhere near where I want to be yet, but this strategy has greatly improved my trading and my results. It's based off of PB Trading. Uh, you can go watch him for more information. He has just greatly helped my trading. But yeah, I'm just gonna just basically show you guys how it works. This is not financial advice. All right. So it's Tuesday today, but on Monday there was a perfect example. All right. So we're on the 4 hour, and let me get rid of Tuesday. Um, should get rid of Tuesday. All right. So overnight we're just going up, right? Going up, all that stuff. Um, we're rejecting off of fair value gaps right here, as you can see. Uh, this fair value gap pushes this wick higher, pushes price higher, right? All right. Ignore this. This is during market open, so this wasn't here yet. So let me back a little further. Let's go right here. All right, yeah. So overnight I'm trending up, right? So here I'm looking for high time frame unfilled fair value gaps, right? So we see an hourly here, unfilled, mark it out, right? And this is right below low, so it's a pretty good spot to look at. All right. I'm gonna go to 4 hour, and we see that in combination with the 1 hour, there's an unfilled 4 hour. We see that. So I'm just gonna move my box a little more. That unfilled 4 hour, that looks beautiful, right below that low. And I'm pretty sure it won't be there anymore, but I'm pretty sure that was also London lows. But yeah. Alright, so that's my target for today. We're also trading into a 4 hour gap, which usually isn't the best. Like, um, that's not usually something you want to do because it's just a little risky. But I can't go over to ES because it'll mess up the replay trading, but ES had already inversed it. ES was like, I think ES was all the way up here already when NQ was here. So, alright, so now from there I'm going to scale down. I've got my bias, so I'm just going to sit in the 15 to 5 minute area, see what happens. So, for the 15 minute. Oh yeah, right here you can see London lows right here on that unfilled 4 hour, but we marked out, right? So basically what I'm waiting for, I'm just need to wait for price to do whatever it does. I'm pretty sure it took us a while to get here. Like it happens later in the day. I think we take out London highs. Yeah, we're just pumping. Then we get this huge down candle. You see how strong the candle is, right? Still waiting at this point. This is a little late in the day though for me to trade. So, but I had an alert set when price, like I think like right about here, an alert. So I got alerted. I was like, all right. Oh no, I was making the trade recap and it was hitting. So just waiting a little bit more. From here, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go to the 5 minute, see what's going on. Still waiting, all that good stuff. I don't know which candle exactly takes it. Right here. Bang. Right. 5 minute. You see this? You see you see this wick? You see this wick? That tells me we are rejecting this low. So from there, I'm looking for a change of state or the highest time frame inverse. So there's no 5 minute. The highest time frame inverse from the 1 to 5. So I start the 5, go 5 minute, go to 3. There's no 3 minute. Go to the 2. There's no 2 minute. Go to the 1. There's no 1 minute. So this is one of the scenarios where I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to wait for a change of state. And like basically a change of state. Um, it's basically like a, it's kind of like a break of structure. It's hard to explain, but it's basically just like a good displacement candle is what I'm looking for. So like a good close, good up close. So like if price were to close, so we tapped here, price were to close like I'd probably take it. If it was this candle was a little longer, I probably would have taken it. Oh wait, no. Yeah, no, this is a candle I entered off of. I saw this candle because if we measure this out, this is a 21 point candle. And the previous one, the bearish candle was only 19, right? So it's already bigger than it's the biggest candle in a while. So I entered off of that, stop at these lows, right? And then this trade takes a while, but I get edged, as you can see. This takes a while actually, but yeah, we just take that change of state, wait it out. Trade took a little bit, but oh wait, my stop. I think I had my TP here, so it was 42 point. No, I had my TP here because ES was way higher, and then bang, just like that. That's how it works, guys. All right, let's see if we can find one more example to give you guys a little help. Let me just give me a second. What day is this? I think here. Okay, it's today. I don't even think I saw this trade. Wait. Oh, this is at 1 in the morning, but it still counts. So 1 hour gap, right? We got it there. 4 hour, also a 4 hour gap. Beautiful thing right there. But I'm more concerned about this 1 hour. I'll just mark it both. All right. So let me go back to replay. Just go here. And then from there, I just scale down 15 minute. See what it's looking like. Nothing yet. I'm gonna go 5 minute and just kind of wait this out. I have the already target marked out. We're just waiting for a little tap. And right here we get it. So now I'm looking for the highest time frame possible inverse. And as you can see, guys, there's a 5 minute open right here. Right. So since that's the highest, it's gonna be the highest because I only look from 1 to 5. I'm not doing no 15-minute inverses. Now I'm just basically gonna wait for us to reject. Right here, moved up a little further, so I'm actually gonna take this 5 minute will be my break even point now. Because this 5 minutes too far away from price now, your stop loss would have to be huge. So there's right here, there's a 3 minute. So now I'm looking at that because that's the highest. Wait it out. Bang. 3 minute inverse right there. Enter off that. Stop. Only a 20 point stop. I just have it at these highs. And I would target these internal lows for a little 31 points. And let's just see. So we hit the 5 minute. As when we hit this 5 minute, I would have gone break even. I just forgot to say that. But that's a little. This is more like a B setup. B plus setup maybe. Shorting into 5 minutes not ideal, but we were bearish, so yeah, it still looks good. That'd be a quick break even. I would probably risk a little less, but we know this does play out. Give it a second. There it is. Bam. All right. Let me see if I can find one more for you guys. Wait a minute. Looking, nothing looks like it's on 4 hour. The new week opening gap kind of messes it up, but right, here's one thing. All right, yeah, here. Hourly for value gap right here. And we're gonna go, I think I took this trade. Now that I think about it. I'm gonna go back to here. Go one. So hourly for value gap created. We have that. All right. So just gonna scale down from there. My bias is shorts, I think. I think my bias is shorts because we had a huge bearish SMT. But yeah, so now we just scale down for a little retouch. I think we do get a touch here. All right, 5 minute gap right here. Highest time frame inverse so far. That's what I'm waiting for. If we get that. Oh, wait. All right, we're just rejecting. Is that an inverse? I don't remember. No, that's not an inverse. Can't take it. All right, guys, we're just gonna wait a little longer. Bang. That inverse is it. But so the thing about this, if you entered off this, right, that's like it's a 56-point stop, right? So let me go back a little bit. Let me go here. I want to see how much price is rejecting. All right. So if on the 1 minute, price is just pushing down, right? So this is one of the things where you can take a change of state. I just need to wait for a good displacement candle, good bearish displacement candle, and mm, honest. Yeah, this is Asia session. I was wondering why it was. There's not really volume, so it's not New York. Right here. I like that instant flip. Instead of a 56-point stop, my stop would be these highs for 22 points, targeting 41. Wait it out. All right, that is the strategy. Still perfecting it. So, and I'm not a professional trading, so like, bear with me, guys. I'm just trying to give you some advice, just like help a little bit. So I hope this did help you guys. And is it in like 280p? But yeah, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this helps.